Let's get you a quick check of some of the latest reports we're getting from across the country. Remember, the total number of cases in India has crossed the 1,000 mark. There have been over 700 casualties recorded so far due to COVID-19. The Prime Minister a short while ago interacted with Gram Panchayats and heads and praised rural India for showing the way as far as the fight against COVID-19 is concerned. Remember, overall in India, the biggest fear initially was that if the virus spreads to rural India, to villages, then it will be uncontrollable. But what we've also seen are exemplary examples of how villages and their heads, local administration has been at the forefront in ensuring that their region, their village is not touched by COVID-19, and they've come up with great solutions to do the same. On the other hand, in Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced that plasma therapy has shown some positive results. Let's take a quick check at some of the reports we're tracking from across the country.
We are standing in the Paraplegic Rehabilitation Center of Mohali, where we would like to show you that how these soldiers are making masks for the society, just because they are also contributing in this war against COVID-19. The entire nation which focused, and they are contributing by making the mask in this paraplegic rehabilitation center. This is basically a workshop of paraplegic rehabilitation center, where these days they have initiated making masks and distributing among the society, even to the forces, to the Indian Army, just because they are the soldiers who were earlier fighting against the enemies. But now the enemy is one, and the entire nation is on the one side of the war, all against the COVID-19. These are the family members who are also contributing by making the mask. You can see all of them are completely into this practice of making masks, just because they are the family members of those soldiers who have lost their limbs in the war, in the tragic incidents during the operations. You can see every day this practice is happening in this workshop of paraplegic rehabilitation centers. We would like to talk to them also, just because every day they are making masks. They are fighting this war. Through this workshop, we try to talk to them. सर, आप हर रोज ये मास्क बनाते हैं, तो आप भी एक लड़ाई में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं कोविड-19 के खिलाफ?
जी सर, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। हाँ जी सर। सर एक्चुअली हम हर रोज तकरीबन अभी जब से ये महामारी उठी है, तो हर रोज यहाँ से मास्क बन रहे हैं, और जैसे उनकी बताया गया है कि हम यहाँ से बिना फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मास्क दे रहे हैं। हमने गेट पे भी लगाए हुए हैं, जितने भी यहाँ झुग्गी झोपड़ी वाले आ जाते हैं उनको हम मास्क देते हैं, और रास्ते में अगर कोई भी हमें रास्ता में मिला कि इस तरीके से जिनके पास मास्क नहीं है, कुछ नहीं, हम उनको मास्क प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं यहाँ से। जी सर।
So you can see that these people are preparing the masks and they delivering on the doorsteps of this institute, as well as to the doorsteps of the other societies also who are actually in need. So आप जब मास्क बनाते हैं, तो आपको पहले आप देश के लिए लड़ते रहे, दुश्मनों से लड़ते रहे, लेकिन अब एक ही दुश्मन है कोविड-19, उसके खिलाफ लड़ाई मास्क के जरिए लड़ी जा रही है।
अभी यहाँ ये सर हमारी जो महामारी है कोरोना वायरस, इसकी तरफ से हम लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। पहले हमारी आर्मी की तरफ से लड़ाई लड़े थे। अभी जो हम पर सहयोग हो रहा है, जितना सहयोग हो रहा है, अभी हम मास्क बना रहे हैं, हम हमारी मिसेज बना रही हैं, हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब, हमारा स्टाफ है इधर पूरा, और हमारी ये पूरा वर्कशॉप है, जहाँ भी मतलब जितना भी सहयोग हो रहा है, हम दुनिया को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मास्क बना रहे हैं। ठीक है।
So these masks are making free of cost, and we would like to show you the entire workshop of this paraplegic rehabilitation center, where time to time certain things they also contribute to the society. This is the entire workshop of this rehabilitation center. You can see there are certain parts, but now the entire focus is on making the mask, just because mask is now the need of the hour. Social distancing and mask are the tools through which this society is fighting against the COVID-19.